Hi, in this video we will solve this question x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5. We will use a simple and powerful formula to solve this question. I have already explained the formula in my earlier video. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, let's get started. Look at this expression x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5. Here we are multiplying two binomials. So a binomial means an expression with two terms. In this example, x plus 2 and x plus 5 are binomials. Now when we multiply two binomials, we can use a formula that makes the work very easy. This is the identity and I have explained it in details in my earlier video. So the identity is x plus a multiplied by x plus b. Here x plus a and x plus b both are binomials. So when we are multiplying two binomials, we get this result, x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So let us apply the formula to our expression. Here we compare x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5 with the formula x plus a multiplied by x plus b, right? So a is equal to 2 and here we have b is equal to 5. Okay. Now we plug the values into the formula. So for the first step we have to write x square. So I will write x square as it is. For the second step we need to find out the value of a plus b, that is 2 plus 5, right? 2 plus 5 is 7 and at last I will write x, right? Because this is plus a plus b and its value is plus, so this is going to be plus 7x, right? And for the third step, for ab, let us multiply the numbers 2 and 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So for ab, I will write 10, or there is plus ab and after multiplying we get a plus sign. So this is going to be plus 10, right? So the final answer is x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5 is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10, right? So let us recap quickly. For x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5, first we wrote x square, then we added a and b, that is 2 plus 5, and the result is 7x. We wrote 7x after x square. And then we multiplied a and b, that is 2 and 5, and that is 10 we wrote at the place of ab, right? So the final answer is x square plus 7x plus 10. This is your expanded expression. Okay, here we talk about a few common mistakes which we can do while expanding the expression. Don't forget to add the numbers first to get the middle term, right? Always multiply the numbers at the end to get the constant, right? And remember, the formula only works when both the expressions start with x, right? Let us take another example. Here we need to find out x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 4, right? And this is the expression we have. Remember to use the same formula. Here a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 4, right? So a plus b will be minus 3 plus 4, that is 1, okay? And after that I have to write x, so it is going to be 1x. Because this value is positive, I will write a plus 1x, right? For ab, we need to multiply minus 3 and 4. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, and because I am multiplying a minus sign with a plus sign, so the result is going to be minus 12, right? So the final answer is going to be x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 4. So the final answer will be, first I have to write x square plus 1x or simply x, and after that minus 12. We can write it as x square plus x minus 12, right? So this is the answer. Hope you like this video. In my next video, I will bring more examples. Thanks for watching.